Are you wondering what to do if your iPhone 17 is having charging problems? Either when you insert your cable, the phone doesn't want to charge at all, or maybe it's charging very slowly, or maybe you can't even properly insert your cable all the way inside. If you try to insert, it doesn't insert, and also if you move it a bit, the charging stops. So any of these problems. So the most common issue of these problems is you simply have a bunch of lint and dirt stuck in your Type-C charging port, and the cable simply can't properly make the contact with the charger pins. So yeah, very easy solution for this. We can simply clean it using a very simple tools. First, make sure to turn off your phone actually. And yeah, the most common cause of this is you simply, when you are placing your phone in a pocket, you have maybe a bunch of lint in your pocket, and that stuff simply gets trapped inside the charger port. And especially when you are trying to stuff in your charger cable, that even stuffs it even further and compacts. And again, eventually your charger cable won't even properly fit in your phone. So yeah, once it's off, what you have to also get is the tiniest sewing needle you can get. So the absolutely tiniest one. If you have a large needle, do not actually do it because you might actually damage your port. So again, the tiniest we can get, so you see, incredibly tiny. So let me also show you what the inside of the port looks like and how we are going to clean it. For example, this is our Type-C port. Inside you have basically the large connector strip, which has tiny connectors, maybe like 9 or 10 of them. Essentially that is transferring the data when you are connecting the cable and also charging the phone. So again, we do not want to damage these. So again, these are quite tiny and fragile. So the way we are going to clean it, so we are going to simply take our needle and we are going to stick to these edges. So first, basically do this edge, scrape, insert all the way in and basically push it all along the edge, and with a scooping motion try to fish out any junk that is inside. And again, repeat it on the other side as well. So scrape along and fish out, avoiding touching basically the middle strip. Also, there isn't enough space, in my opinion, in the corners as well, so we can cover the corners with a toothbrush. So for the needles, simply stick to the main edges. So yeah, simply take your phone. Oh, also you can maybe even take a flashlight and inspect what's actually happening inside. In a lot of cases, you might even see if it's like very bad, that something is definitely inside there. So yeah, let's take our sewing needle. So while you hold your phone like this, so we are simply going to insert the sewing needle inside the hole here, and again, while keeping at the edge, simply scoop out anything. So obviously hold your phone like this so everything keeps falling out, and repeat it on the other as well. Insert and scoop out everything. Okay, and I suggest you to also follow up with maybe like a blower like this or any other way how to blow inside. So essentially we can force in a lot of air, and all the junk that we just dislodged with that needle is going to fly right out. Also again, toothbrush also is very helpful for this. So you see, you can literally insert the toothbrush and try to dislodge any fine particles that might be stuck inside the charging port. And again, so after you are done with toothbrush, again follow up with a blower and blow out anything. And again, I suggest you to maybe repeat the needle maybe like 2 or 3 times. And again, also maybe use your flashlight to inspect if you have actually managed to clean it. So if it's clean, you should see it very well, kinda. So let me turn on the light, for example. So you see, for example, this is what a clean port here looks like. So again, you should kind of see the bottom very easily of the port once it's properly cleaned. Also, finally, also check the cable quality as well of your phone that you use to charge it. With time, obviously, these cables also wear down, especially if you are like dangling them around a lot, essentially like bending. So internally they have tons of different strands that makes up the whole cable. With time, as you are bending it, might break essentially internally, and you might not even notice. So again, maybe even literally try with another cable. And yeah, also see for the overall fit. So it should actually fit like very well. So you see, I can insert, shake it, dangle it around, and you see it essentially clicks inside and it's fairly secure fit. So yeah, if everything is okay, you should see like this. So with a clean port and good quality cable like that isn't damaged, again, it's very, very secure essentially. Okay, good luck.